y'all not including Kobe in the GOAT conversation is insane, bro. Say, YouTube.
YouTube.
You gotta say it like you mean it, baby. Come on. YouTube. YouTube. It's your boy, Mo. And today, I have a special surprise. You wouldn't guess what came in the mail. Total orange Kobe's. And we gotta discuss this. Y'all be nice to me. I don't get the shoes early like y'all. I just got them off sneakers. Y'all be nice. I'm working my way up. I don't get them early like your favorite content creator yet. I'm working. You know what I'm saying? I'm locked in though. I'm locked in. Yeah. Y'all already know what this video is about based on the intro and based on my jersey. I'm not even a Lakers fan. I'm really a Warriors fan because I'm from the Bay. But today is Kobe Day. These are the same box that the Caitlin Clarks came in. The typical Black Mamba box, you know, with all the snake texture and Kobe's signature right there. These Kobe 8s weren't easy to get. I truly got blessed again, and I was juiced about it. I really got the county jail Kobe licks. These look like a shoe that you'll wear with that orange jumpsuit they give you when you in county. These the ones. Resale on these are not too bad right now. I checked today, and they're about at $240. And that's not really bad. So y'all better hop on them while y'all can, because these are going to go up. I mean, they pop. Like, look at them. They pop. So keep your eyes open on these. I'm surprised sneakers let me hit on these too, because I just hit on the Caitlin Clarks. So you know how sneakers is. It's a hit and miss. But they rock with your boy. And, you know, here we are again. I found out after I hit on Foot Locker that Dick's Sporting Goods was actually having these too, so I didn't catch that one, but luckily I hit, so it didn't really matter. But I always like to try on anything I can. I feel that pictures never do these shoes justice, especially these Kobe's, because online they just look like orange shoes, but when you get them in hand, they look candy. And then they have the translucent soles that are very nice. These almost look like an orange citrus fruit that just got sprayed and just blooming in the sun. You know what I'm saying? They're just so shiny. Like, it almost looks like you could taste those by just looking at them. I remember the candy now. If y'all remember this candy from back in the day, it was something like a orange-sicle or something like that. But yeah, that's how them Kobe's look. That is exactly how them Kobe's look, bro. All the hoopers are gonna love these shoes. The grip and the traction is second to none. You know what I'm saying? They're very lightweight. The only thing I don't really like about them is the ankle support. That probably could be dangerous on the court, but you know, everybody wears low top shoes nowadays. But me personally, I like more ankle support because it's a lot of NBA players getting injured because, I mean, there's no reason they're getting injured, but the shoes play a big deal. I mean, a mid or a high shoe would give you more ankle support than these, of course. It's just simple science, but hey. The ZoomX on this shoe is very bouncy and very lightweight and has very good cushion in there. So I would say this would be the perfect shoe for a guard of some sort because they have to move quick and cut all the time. For a heavier set dude, like a center or a small forward or something like that, I probably would get a more supportive shoe. This is for quick guys that be crossing people up like that. You know what I'm saying, though. Y'all get it. Now, I'm going to stir up the pot a little bit, and I know y'all going to be mad at this, but guess what? I got something to tell y'all. I like these better than Grinches. And whoever don't like it, so what? I like these better than Grinches. Do something about it. Hey, they pop better. I like orange better than I like yellow. And these pop. I'm a SF Giant fan, so orange is a go for me over yellow. Orange over yellow. So, out of these two, the shoes that I like more will probably have to be these orange ones. And I'm not going based off cost because these ones cost more now. If you're paying resale, they're going for a grip now, and it's all because Caitlin Clark is an upcoming, WNBA player. She's doing her thing and whatnot, and she's probably going to be something special, you know what I'm saying? But look-wise, I think these orange ones look better than these. But, it is what it is. I mean, that's how the shoe game go. Sometimes things just go off hype, but to me, these ones look better. But overall, y'all, great shoe. But my review doesn't really matter, man. I'm still feeling uneven. You know what I'm saying? I think we got to bring Pooh Shiesty to let y'all know what she thinks on this. Because that girl going to let you know what it is about the Kobe Beans. So let's get Pooh Shiesty's review on these orange shoes. Right, so we got Pooh Shiesty herself here. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone. And press the like button on YouTube.
Press the like button on YouTube, y'all. Okay, Mariah, I need your opinion on these Kobe Bryant shoes, all right?
Okay.
And so hold these.
Okay.
All right, Mariah, so what you think about these Kobe's?
Kobe's shoes.
What do you think? You like the color of them?
Yes. Orange.
Orange, huh? You like orange?
Yes.
Okay, that's what's up. That's what's up.
It's orange in there.
It's orange everywhere, huh? You got to show the people. Look at the camera, too. Do you like them?
Yes.
So tell them like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
And let us know if you got the total orange Kobe's, or if you didn't, will you be getting them? Just let us know. And I'm about to show y'all how I put together the Kobe's. Say bye, Mariah.